Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm in Atlantic City at Ocean Resort Casino. I'm actually not there, but I'm going to be there in a couple days. This video today is going to be about my last couple stays there and two different rooms I had. One that was refurbished and one that wasn't. If you're new to the Ocean, Ocean is one of the largest and the newest casino in all of Atlantic City. Honestly, to me, it feels more like a cruise ship than a resort. It's amazing. Biggest and probably the only problem I find with it is where it is. It's away from the other resorts. Closest resort to it is Showboat. But it is a great place. If you don't really love gambling and you want other things to do, there's a lot of places to sit and chill and hang out. Another part of my video today is I'm going to be discussing going to the casino with my mom and my aunt that are sort of, mobility challenged, she'll say. My aunt is struggling with dementia. My mom has a hard time getting around. So part of my video is going to be talking about that as well. Right now I'm going to be showing you my first day. See, this is the other part of the boardwalk where the resorts aren't. See, it's still a boardwalk. You still could walk there, but there's really not much going on. So that's the only problem about staying at Ocean is if you want to see Tropicana, Caesars, Bally's, all those resorts, you're kind of far from that. Here's a tour of a room that is not remodeled. This was my first day. It was back in September. The room really isn't that bad. It's got some boo-boos that I'm going to be showing you. I'm compiling these tours together for anybody that's thinking of going. If you're not sure if you want to pay more for the upgraded room, sometimes you could even ask at check-in, like, I really would like a remodeled room, and they'll just grant it to you without paying more. Upgrades are obviously easier to get during the off-season and during the week. But everything's nice. It's just, it's just not perfect. I really wanted to make this video because when I talk to most people about Ocean, most of them say that the rooms are really nice, but then you get a few that say the rooms are crap, they need to get gutted and remodeled, and so I just wanted to make this video just to clear up that there are two different phases going on. This being the lower floors. The second room I'm going to show you was in the mid floors. That was a completely new room. It was very beautiful. This room, it's not too bad. It's just banged up. The room is very large. It's over 400 square feet. It has a refrigerator. That's actually pretty common in Atlantic City, having a refrigerator in your room. They do not have coffee makers. From what I hear, though, if you ask housekeeping, they will bring you one. The beds are comfortable. I always have a really good night's sleep here when I'm sleeping and I'm not in the casino. These rooms are not modernized. You still are going to have standard outlets by your bed. Ocean, the hotel, is all one tower. They're not different towers. They are different elevators that take you to different floor levels. Now for the part I hate, I have to show you the flaws with the room. It doesn't bother me. I'm not trying to be a jerk. I'm just trying to, prepare people that this may bother. But the room itself, color-wise, it's more like tans, has a little splash of color. It's not very colorful. The hallways are dark, which surprised me in Ocean. You would think it'd be like white and blue, kind of like the waterfront tower at Harrah's, but it's very dark. These chairs are kind of dark too. Still some problems. Nothing like life-shattering. It's just not what you would expect of Ocean. But the new rooms are, and I will be showing you that in a little bit. But to be quite honest, I don't even notice these things because the things I notice the most are like this. The sunrises, the sunsets, has the most beautiful windows, very big, large windows and beautiful views. Oh my God, I just miss this place so much. I can't wait to go back home. I call this my home. I really live in Connecticut, but to me, I love Atlantic City more. Look at this pool. It's one of the shining stars about Ocean. There's so many things I love about Ocean. Now, why am I coming back? Well, I come to Atlantic City all the time, but I'm coming back with my mom and my aunt because last time I was here with them, my aunt won a hand pay. Oh my gosh, we were so excited. I'm going to show you that as well as some other footage of my aunt and my mom at the end of this video. I'm adding that to the video for a beautiful memory for me and them. I'm going to share it with all of you guys too. For anybody that may be wanting to go with a parent or a grandparent and they want to know what it's like, just to see how excited and happy they are to be there. So back to my wonderful auntie. We're sitting playing video poker. Now she is so funny. Her sense of humor is so great. And we're having such a good time. And she forgets, like I talked to her about something and 2 seconds later, she forgets what I said. But she could play video poker like nobody's business. She is brilliant with it. And she's like, oh my gosh, you're going to see it at the end of this video. She won like $1,600. She got like a royal flush times 10 on a video poker machine. We were so excited. And then the attendant came and they looked at her license and it was like 3 weeks expired. She doesn't drive anymore. We didn't even realize it. So she couldn't receive the money. We begged and pleaded. I said, I'm sitting right next to her. I have my license. Nothing would work. They need her physically to come back with a renewed license. Here we are. It's like 6 months later and we're going back again. So wish us luck. We're going to be there this week. So I'm planning on going to the valet and I'm going to call ahead of time and hopefully they could have a wheelchair waiting for me so that they could take my car and then I could get the wheelchair for her. Now, this is really tough for me. My aunt has always been someone that worked 3 jobs, and even after that she would go for walks. She was feisty and a go-getter. She's just really funny now. Her personality's changed, but she's really delightful. But the one thing that has not changed is her love for casinos. She cannot wait to come here. Now we're going to jump ahead. This is my visit in October when I was here by myself and I received a room that was different than the previous room I had. So I was like, oh wow, look at this. So I want to share with you the upgraded, remodeled room at Ocean. She's a beauty. This is definitely one of the nicest rooms. Look at the refrigerator is all new and updated. Everything's really clean, crisp. The colors are very soothing to the eyes. Everything's always very clean at Oceans. I gotta say, I always bring wipes wherever I go because you just never know, and I never have to take them out to re-clean anything. I've encountered some dust because the windows are so big. There's so much natural light in there. It gets dusty very fast. These rooms are updated with the updated charging ports right by your bed. This was a really nice stay for a regular room. It's probably one of my favorite rooms that I've stayed in all of Atlantic City. Other ones that I enjoy are Caesar's Centurion Towers. Also the waterfront and bayfront towers at Harrah's are really nice. I love the North Tower corner rooms at the Hard Rock. Those are so cozy. I love those rooms. I'm just throwing out different names of different rooms that I love. Tropicana Havana Tower executive rooms. They're corner rooms, but they're considered regular rooms, not suites. Those rooms are really nice. You can view all these rooms in a playlist I'll leave at the end of this video. Just click on the playlist and you can see all my videos. Now for my private footage of my mom and my auntie and our visit at Ocean. This is when my aunt won her jackpot.
Oh my God, look at this. Look at my auntie, yay. She's so lucky. I can't believe it. Oh, that's so good, you so deserve this. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God. My beautiful mama. I love Here with my beautiful auntie. She's wearing my scarf. She's cold and I'm hot. Say Ocean. Ocean. You guys having fun at the ocean?
Yes. Are you having fun? I'm having a lot of fun. Sisters.
Yay.
Sisters.
Love you guys.
Love you too, Jen. Thank you for bringing us here.
No problem. Beautiful sisters. Aww.
Look at Jen. Look at Jen. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sit your ass down. Get in the chair. And it's windy.
Oh, I feel so good out here.
And my sweat is gonna freeze. Okay.
Yep.
So okay.
Yeah, show us the drink. Yay, cheers.
Cheers.
We're having a good time in Atlantic City.
We You said it.
Ocean Hotel.
Jen set us up.
It's a wonderful, wonderful memory.
You are the limo driver. You are the caregiver. God bless you.
I love you guys.
And she's a wonderful, wonderful. I love her so much. Goddaughter.
Yes, she is.
Yes.
She loves you too, Gloria.
I know, I know.
I love them both so much. I usually travel alone. So not only am I going with these two, but I'm also going with my sister and my cousin. I'm sure this is going to be one heck of an adventure.
I said, hand me your booze. I got it.
I thought you said boobs.
No.
They're seriously so funny. They're exhausting. They actually need their own YouTube channel.
They're all tucked away.
Okay, so I have a very, very nice gaming voucher. 52 cents. Are you ready for this one? 10 cents. Oh no, this is a hot one. Oh, this is from Mohegan Sun, and that was 5 cents. And Mohegan Sun was 25 cents.
That says Katie Voucher.
And I'm going to cash them in.
Yeah, absolutely. What you say, love?
There you go.
If you're still with us, hanging out with me, my mom, and my aunt, thank you so much. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. It's so important to take and make the time for the people that you love. And get your butt to Atlantic City. Be kind to yourself and others, and safe travels to you.